earlier we talked about how to stay dry, stay covered, stay warm. Now you need to be fed. You need to feed yourself. So we've got Hermann Schlegel here from Cabela's Ottawa talking about ways to do that safely and enjoyably, talking about going camping here. Hermann, let's continue on here. Your wealth of information. What do? We're out there, we got our tent up, we got our sleeping bag, but now we're hungry. We need to eat.
Absolutely. So there is multiple options. You can cook on open fire. You can cook on a little neat cooking system like this. Okay. There's many different ways to do that. What I would really think is important is to bring something you enjoy. Bring good food, bring some treats, make it very enjoyable for everybody. So there's a couple of examples of freeze-dried food.
Oh, freeze-dried food.
So you just add some hot water and then leave it in the pouch for about 5 minutes, and you can eat. You have a warm meal. Yes.
Oh, that's fantastic. Wait, you have some steak strips?
Yeah, so that's the treat. You want to keep your fellows happy.
There you go, exactly. And well-fed. You need that protein too.
Absolutely,
yeah.
yes.
Okay, because protein, camping takes a lot of energy.
It does.
It does.
You're in the elements, and definitely you need more energy than if you stay inside.
There you go. So some freeze-dried food does not hurt at all. Put the hot water in, you're good to go. Okay, after we've had our meal, like what else do we need here in order to have a successful, fun, and safe camping trip?
Yes, so it's always about having a shelter. We talked about tents. Yes. We need definitely water.
Okay.
That's very important, and in order to have clean water, you need something to transport your water first.
Yeah, okay.
And then if you want to clean it up yourself, there is different possibilities. These are tablets you put in your water.
Okay.
There's also water filters. This is one you can actually just drink through.
Okay.
And this is a filter that pumps, and it filters even the smallest little creatures out.
And it'll give you instructions as well, right? Like if you're filling up maybe a couple of liters, it'll let you know, let's say for the tablets, how many tablets to pop in, and then you pop them in, wait a second, wait a moment, and then you're good to go. Okay, so you need water, you got your clean water, you got your tablets. What about bugs and mosquitoes? And because they're out there.
Very important. If they annoy you, your trip might be ruined within a couple of minutes. So there's different systems too. This would be a thermocell. Okay. You just have a butane cartridge in there, and it evaporates something that repels mosquitoes.
Okay.
There's the classic spray with or without DEET. In Canada, we're allowed to sell sprays containing DEET up to 30%.
Okay.
In the US, it's 96 or so. So not too good for your skin. I would recommend if you use a product that contains DEET, put some lotion or cream on your skin before, so it does not penetrate that deep.
Oh, that is very good to know. Okay, and if you were talking about feeding yourself and starting a fire as well to do that, and then these are what are these? Fire sticks?
These are just
stokes the fire, gets it.
Yeah, if you use a striker or even just a match, this will light up immediately. It's very easy to build a fire up using this as the base.
Especially, come on, if you're new to camping, right? It's hard to build a fire from scratch. I would be using that for sure.
Yeah.
I would definitely use that. Okay, next, Sabo, what do we have here?
We have some critical gear.
Okay.
If you go out, you need to know that you're safe again.
Yeah, sure.
So you need a light source. It could be a headlamp. That's very practical because you have both hands free. Or a lantern. There's combined lanterns.
Because it gets very dark when you're out there camping.
Absolutely.
You know, you don't have the street lights normally, so that's great.
For sure.
Okay.
And then I definitely would recommend to have a medical kit with you.
Very important.
In case somebody get injured.
Sure.
Make sure somebody is first aid trained in the group.
Yes. Okay. Make sure you know what to do. You know where this is. You know what's in it. Yeah. You need that as well. Okay.
And then we have a couple of tools. I definitely would recommend to have a good knife. Okay. It does not have to be the most expensive one, but a knife out in the bush is something very crucial. This is a multi-tool. There's a lot of lot of function on that. It's a lot more practical.
Okay. Does a lot of different things, kind of like a Swiss Army knife.
It is.
Yeah.
Yeah. A
Okay.
little more professional.
Yes.
It's a little bit of an investment, but
Okay.
over time it definitely pays
It
off.
really will help you out. And just in case, if it gets super cold or wet, this is a thermal cover?
Just a blanket in case you're under shock or you get
Yeah.
wet or
Okay.
something like that. Yeah.
Okay. Listen, if we want to do this, and you know, as folks watching go, I think I want to go camping because Hermann has really convinced me. Can we get some tips? Go out to Cabela's?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Like you come in, we're at Palladium Drive out in Canada.
Okay.
Come in, one of our outfitters will be more than happy to help you out and answer all the questions you have.
Fantastic. You are a wealth of information.
Thank you.
Hermann Schlegel from Cabela's, Ottawa. Thank you so much for stopping by.
Thanks for having
It's
me.
got me thinking about camping, man. I just might have to do it. Thank you again,
Thank you.
Hermann.